Okay, well, I have moved the trailer table into its final resting place for, when it's in the shop here in the barn. And as you can see, it's out of the main lane of the barn here, and it's where I used to have a couple of workbenches. And so now I think what I'm going to do is take a little bit of a departure from just building it, and I'm still waiting on some things to come in. I'm going to really take some time here and play with how I want to try to organize and store things. I was thinking about the whole reels for the welding leads, and the truth of the matter is, since I don't really use this as a stick welder very often, I've kind of abandoned the reel tree idea. So there you can see I've got a reel for the air hose. I'm going to mount that up to the handle of the, at least that's what I'm going to try to do, of this air compressor. And then figure out where I want to put the oxyacetylene. I've got a reel coming for it, so it'll be a retractable hose. And what I'm thinking about is either right here in this area is putting a cabinet that'll just have some pegs on it to wind the cables on, or I'm actually even thinking I'm going to research a little bit about in-floor storage, putting some boxes that come underneath. But I think the point is I'm going to take some time here and really play with how to organize stuff before I just jump in and do things. Now I will tell you, I did end up ordering a couple of 2-drawer shelf, or 2 just drawer units. One will go here and one will go here, until I get it. I don't really know for sure, but essentially that's what I'm going to do, and then figure out what I'm going to do with the rest of the space under there. And I think that will get me down the road to how I'm going to lay things out. But anyway, the good news, the workbench is right here by my anvil, my forge, and my vise. And I can, this will be very handy right there. So, if you got any ideas on how to lay this storage out, let me know. Thanks.